Hey y'all, so me and my boys went out and picked some dandelions today. I really wanted to make some cute crafts with dandelions, so my idea was to use this shrinky dink paper and cut out little circles, kind of like we did before with the pressed flowers. So I used a mason jar top and just traced around that and just cut my circles out. So once I had all the ones I wanted cut out, I took my dandelion and just pressed it in between two pieces of the shrinky dink plastic. So to make it easier for gluing, I just added a paper clip onto the corner of mine, but you can use like a clothespin or something else, just anything just to hold it together to make it easier while you're gluing, and then just remove that when you're going to glue the last little bit. So this time I decided to paint the edges of it, so I'm using rose gold acrylic paint and just dabbing that around the edges of the glue. So my original idea was to have it like this to where you could see through it, but it wasn't turning out exactly how I envisioned. So I got a few shots of it, but then I ended up changing it later on. So I thought it would be cute to add them to wood slices. So I'm just adding a little bit of hot glue on the back and then gluing them directly to my wood slices. And then I thought we can make a vertical wall hanging. So I used some chiffon ribbon and just glued them directly to that, and then used my staple gun just to add that extra security. So this was extremely hard to get pictures and videos of, but this is about the best that I could do. Of course, the pictures and videos just do not do it justice. It's really beautiful in person. But I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think down in the comments, and thank you so much for watching.